Hi, thanks for clicking the video. In March 2022, ZTE Corporation announced the Blade V40 series at Mobile World Congress (MWC). The series consists of 4 models, namely V40 Pro, Blade V40, Blade V45G and Blade V40 Vita. The brand has also recently launched their flagship model, the ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, for global markets. But yesterday, it seems like ZTE is preparing for the launch of new model under the Axon 40 and V40 series. Today we have spotted a new smartphone on FCC certification. The certification site reveals live images and user manual of the smartphone, which you are currently seeing in this video. The FCC listing discloses external and internal photos, and the user manual of the phone. ZTE Axon 40 SE will carry the ZTE 9047 model name, and will only have 4G version. The phone will be marketed as Axon 40 SE or Blade V40S, depending on the region it will sell. The phone will use a LCD display. The back panel looks very colorful and has a mixture of white, blue, pink and violet colors. There are 2 big camera modules on the left side. The first camera module is equipped with a single lens and the second module has 2 sensors and a flash. The ZTE logo is placed on right lower corner. In terms of specs revealed so far, the ZTE Axon 40 SE has a 4520 mAh battery and will support 22.5 watt fast charging. The charger and USB Type-C cable will be provided with the phone. And the phone will support 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Other than this, no specs of the phone has been revealed so far, but we will keep you updated. All you have to do is subscribe and click the notification bell.